ओम कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणत क्लेशनाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। Shrirawatpura dham looks like a golden flower in the ravines of Chambal. Located in Lahar Tehsil of Bhind district, this dham is unique. As you enter from the main gate, you will see long rows of trees. Different species of plants and trees make this heritage even more environmentally rich. You will find many species of animals and birds roaming here freely. On moving forward, you see the grand Vaikuntha gate, inside which are seated in a huge series of temples, divine forms of great men who give a new direction to the society along with the gods and the goddesses. Along with the introduction of the Sanatani tradition, the region also narrates the saga of the spiritual and social journey of India through the established forms of great men. And now, it's the turn of the main temple, where Shrirawatpura Hanumanji Maharaj is situated, whom we know as Shrirawatapurasarkar. With whose special grace and blessings, Dham is becoming more beautiful and attractive. This Shiva statue, situated in the middle of the park, is magnificent. Aarti is performed in all the temples in the morning and evening, which looks even more grand on special occasions. Rituals are a major part of the daily routine here. Beginning with the melodious sound of conch shells before sunrise, the sequence of rituals continues till late in the evening, which gives the definition of spiritual and religious nature of Dham. After this, we move towards the Astha Manch, where the followers are seen drenched in devotional aura in the daily prayer meeting, where they feel the pleasant feeling of being one with the Supreme. Right in front of the main temple, there is a lake named Pushkarani, which covers the entire journey of this holy dham in its heart, in whose courtyard the fishes are playing in the lap of beautiful nature. The seeds of culture are sown in the Sanskrit school here, converting wet soil into a beautiful statue. Sanskrit school and college is spreading its shade on the world stage. And now it is the turn of Devabhumi to produce complete organic fruits and vegetables, which is a commendable initiative for the eternal environment. And now let's move on to the food area, where the students of Sanskrit school, the staff of the institute, and the visitors to the dham eat every day. Keeping in mind the convenience of devotees, attractive guest houses have been built in this area, where devotees come from far-flung areas can stay. Apart from this, Kamadhenu Gaushala, which is also a research institute, simply grabs your attention, where the service of cows continues. Along with this, many products like herbal shampoo to havan material are prepared here. The handloom unit, which produces traditional cloth, which is almost on the verge of extinction in today's mechanized age, has also been given a respectable place here to develop employable skills while preserving its traditional form. The handloom unit, which produces traditional cloth, which is almost on the verge of extinction in today's mechanized age, has also been given a respectable place here to develop employable skills while preserving its traditional form. On the exit from here, there's a canteen on the side of the main road and some shops for the supply of daily needs. Along with operating the arrangements running in such a large area from the office located at the main gate, the systems and the area are continuously monitored through CCTV cameras. On the occasion of the special festivals, lakhs of devotees reach here and become a part of this institution and culture. A huge feast is organized on this occasion. Shrirawatapurasarkarofficial dham under the guidance of Param Pujya Maharaj. Shri Dham is a confluence between religion, spirituality, science, nature, environment, where you can take a dip whenever you want.